Meaning of endowment.
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 Endowment. Endowment refers to the act of providing an organization or individual with a permanent financial asset, such as a fund or property. The objective of an endowment is to generate ongoing income for the recipient, usually a non-profit organization or educational institution. Endowments often have specific guidelines dictating how the funds may be used, and they may be subject to legal restrictions ensuring their long-term viability. Ultimately, endowments provide a stable source of income that can be relied upon to support the activities and goals of the recipient over the long term.